black line in my art is where everything comes to life. I had thick lines and thin lines, lines for shading and dots for effect. In the end, I had highlights to make the whole thing pop. The next thing you know, the whole thing starts to come alive. Ree's helmet is a little scully helmet or half helmet. It's real easy to prep and paint. I'm going to do a simpler version of the screaming skulls from the tank, leaving a whole lot of black in the background. Ree's helmet is a great style to paint on with the paint pen, but not all helmets are this easy. My last helmet was quite the project. It was a full face helmet with lots of parts to remove, not to mention the design is super complicated and symmetrical. This helmet took over 16 hours to complete. Painting something round is very difficult. I struggled just trying to hold it. When I finally finished the painting, I had to clear coat it and then polish it. Then I had to figure out how do I put all these pieces back together. In the end, you just hope your client will love it, making all your hard work worthwhile. Here she is, here's your helmet.
Holy sh! Guys! Oh my god!
No way. Pick it up.
Oh, oh my god.
So you're definitely going to be able to spot her. The clear coat came out killer up here because I polished it the best there. But around here it's got a little mottled effect, but that could even be polished out more later. But I just didn't want to over polish it at this point since it's so fresh. And just be, for the time being, just don't do anything to it yet. Don't wear it yet. Just let it harden up for a little while. Usually you want to let this thing stand for at least a week before you really start doing some damage to it.
So other people always ask me, what is it like being in the business of art? And it's like being a juggler. Every week, Drew and I have 4 or 5 projects that we're just juggling. It's these magnificent projects that we're working on, and every single one of them has a deadline. And at the end of every project, there's a person or a collector or a company that we have to make happy. And really, that's the business that we're in. We are in the business of making people happy.